In this lecture, I am going to talk about a really basic thing, which is finding an affiliate program for your best or your most favorite provider, your most favorite merchant. Let's say you use any of the service, like you use Netflix, you use Bluehost as web hosting, you use any other company, and or you use Canva for graphic design, and you want to promote it, and you have friends or you have circle which whom want to use that specific software, and you want to find the affiliate program of that software or that service, so that when someone will go from your link, then you will get commission, and you can also promote it on your affiliate website. It's a lot easy. What you have to do is you just have to go to Google and just search for, let's say I am using Bluehost and I want to join Bluehost affiliate program, but I don't know anything about a Bluehost affiliate program. So what you just have to do is just the brand name, and after the brand name you just have to search for affiliate program, and that's all, and just search for it, and you will get on the first page, you will get the affiliate program link of that specific company. Let's say this one. So we have found that link here, and on that link on this page we have all the details about the Bluehost affiliate program. $65 per qualified referral, and if someone signs up using my link on Bluehost, I will get 65 bucks. Same is for Canva. Let me search for Canva. I use it for graphic design, and here you go, I just got it as well. And here you can see I got the Canvas page as well for affiliate program. So to join it, I'll just click on join now, and I will be able to join this affiliate program. So it's basically with Impact. It's Impact app, Impact Radius. I'm using it, and you can also use it. This is also an affiliate network, but this is mostly for professional affiliate marketers. Not I'm not saying I think my words are not correct. This is basically for someone who is just reviewing or promoting some kind of softwares and these kind of things. This is mostly for them. Like myself, I am working on educating on graphic design, video editing, etc., etc., where I am promoting different products, different softwares. So on Impact I can find multiple softwares. So that's how you can just find the affiliate programs for different softwares using this simple method. Just go to Google and search for it. That was all about this lecture. See you in next lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to share with you some of the best affiliate networks that you can join as an affiliate marketer, as an affiliate blogger or blogger. So let's just get right into it. The first one is everyone's favorite, Amazon Associates. It's by Amazon itself. And to join this program, you have to go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. And here you can easily sign up and create your account and select any Amazon product, create an affiliate link from this portal, and you can sell it and share it via your affiliate website. So it's a lot easy. You can go here and you can sign up and pick a product from Amazon, generate a link and share that link anywhere. Whenever someone will sign up from buy a product from that link, you will get a commission from around 1% to 10%. It varies with the products. The second one is clickbank.com. You can go to clickbank.com and sign up. It is also one of the most famous affiliate networks with 100,000 plus sellers, and you can be one of the marketers to sell the products of the sellers. Then the third one is JVZoo. With JVZoo, you can also do affiliate marketing. You can sell the products. You will get the links, and you can just promote it on your website. The next one is CJ affiliate, and to access this you have to go to cj.com, and here you can register as an advertiser or affiliate. Obviously you are an affiliate marketer and you'll have to register as an affiliate, and you can be partner with big brands, and you can just sell their products. The next one is Awin, and Awin is also one of the largest affiliate networks, and you can just join this affiliate network, and you can just partner with the advertisers and you can just sell their products. So these are the most you can say most popular affiliate networks that you can join, and you can get most of the commissions. and you will find your favorite brands in these affiliate networks. Basically, Amazon is an affiliate program, others are affiliate networks, mostly, and there are multiple sellers selling their products, and you can be the part of that community. So that was all about this lecture. I hope you liked the lecture, and if you have any question regarding these affiliate networks, or if you have any problem signing up with these networks, you can reach out to their support, and if that doesn't work, you can ask me in Q&A or in personal messages.